Yeah, g'day guys, my name's James Fawcett. I'm a seven-figure product creator and affiliate marketer, and I'm coming at you today with basically the 4 key truths about affiliate marketing space and why that market can suck. If you'd like to go ahead and basically click subscribe below if you like my content, and ring that, and if you want to click that bell as well, you'll be able to tap into a bunch of my videos coming up and be able to talk about different key strategies and ways to be able to boost your online sales with product creation, as well as being able to using that product creation segment to boost affiliate referral sales as well. When we talk about the 4 key truths about the affiliate marketing space, we're talking about why people struggle to get off the ground in affiliate marketing. Now, I've been very successful with affiliate marketing for the past 2.5 years. Before that, I struggled for around about nearly probably 4 to 5 years. I spent a lot of money on the gurus and all the one-touch apps and push button apps and all that sort of stuff. But what I've found is that the reason why people fail is because 1, they're targeting the wrong audience, and 2, you're selling a product that really isn't yours. And what that means is that when you're talking about promoting other people's products, yes, you really need to focus on the benefit and the features of it, as well as the outcome. However, there's still a bit of a disconnect, and it really is that you have to get the effort of being able to bring people in. I've come across with a model which isn't new, but it's been very effective for me, especially when basically becoming a product creator. I want to go through why it's so difficult with affiliate marketing for many people that started out, and then on top of that, I'm going to really focus on how you guys can build more authority, more trust, and when you're trying to make more sales, essentially. First point here is basically newbies. A lot of people attract newbies to the market, and generally newbies, they're very much uninformed. There, it takes a lot more time to basically build the trust and authority with those newbies because they're effectively skeptical straight away. They're not familiar with affiliate marketing, and they don't know how to, obviously go about it, or what's the mechanisms, what's in place. You literally need to show them the way on how to do that. Like I said, secondly, it's hard to build trust with something where the product isn't even yours. Effectively, the first thing people think about is like, I'm just a random, just trying to sell you this product. When they have that disconnect, it's a lot harder to generate that sale. I've experienced that a number of times, and I was able to crack the code on it, whether it's building a list, an email list, and doing follow-up sequences using the email list, or even really struggling to find that messaging that connects the dots between what you're trying to promote that basically isn't yours, and to making them generate a purchase, right? To get that sale. On top of that, you've got the bottom feeders. Now, the bottom feeders are generally those look for anything free. A lot of people come across this and they feel entitled that they don't have to spend money to make money. And this is just a classic mindset. It takes a little bit of time to configure that mindset with people, and before it actually clicks like that. Generally what that is that it's just people that are entitled to free stuff, they won't buy anything, and basically just waste your time. You can, if you wanted to, like for example, run a sequence to build that, but it can take time. We basically follow a solution that gets people in to buy straight away. Alright, so the 4th thing is literally having high volume traffic, and obviously you need to weed out the best customers in that really will go along and basically pull the trigger, pull out their credit card I should say, to make the purchase. And sometimes it takes a lot of traffic and filtering in order to do that. Some of the solutions are, 1, what this means is that you have full authority, control, and be able to resonate and have a little bit more know-how behind the scenes, either whether it's a free offer or a paid offer. When people pay, they pay attention to what they've actually purchased. And free, people have no accountability because it's free, right? When you create your own products, you can obviously build continuity into those products as well. We have a model that really does allow you to do that. 1, people are paying to get new products, and 2, you can build continuity inside of that to basically build recurring income month after month after month. This is probably one of the biggest things that people have an issue with. For example, promoting a recurring offer, that means that that you have to start from ground zero each morning. In all honesty, it's sometimes when you build continuity, it takes a little bit more work and finding that customer, but once you find that right customer avatar and to willing to obviously invest in like a recurring billable program, it really does make a huge change. And on top of that, their mindset changes as well. I do love affiliate marketing, and finding traffic is a lot of fun. Generally what we recommend people doing is tapping into pre-existing buyers. Now we have a mechanism in place where you can build your own affiliate base, basically have people come promote your offer, and you reap the benefit of being rewarded for other people's efforts. That's recurring income day after day after day. So this is obviously, as an affiliate marketer since 2020, February 2020, I've generated $1.9 million in affiliate sales. On top of that, I've done just from past products that I've created, I've generated $3,400 this week alone in the last 7 days. That's getting close to $12,000 in profits where other people have sold my product, and I didn't have to do anything about it. It all came from their effort. When you tap into that, it becomes an extremely powerful mechanism and process that you'll be able to really leverage and be able to, basically shorten the learning curve period. Shorten the heartache of, finding those traffic sources. When it gets to the point and you've learnt the skill set, it's easy money. It really is. Once you build that automation and those sequences and everything, it does become very easy. However, I love having control over my own content. So I like to build authority through creating great content. And also, when you have assets, that lets people know that you're in it for the long run. I only promote products that have become evergreen. Crypto products or affiliate products, they die so quickly within a few months because they come in, they promote a program and they're out within 3 months, and then the program's dead. You kind of already half know that unless you have a huge audience, you're not going to benefit from it, period, right? When you generate evergreen products, basically you need to create them in a way that they're going to be evergreen, and people will promote them for years to come. However, when you only do affiliate marketing, you only do it if you don't want to create products, period, right? When you don't want to have the responsibility of, for example, billing and support. Obviously, if you want to do affiliate marketing, it's a quicker process to lose the lead, all right? Because then those leads become customers of someone else's product, and their focus is primarily on that product and that vendor and being supported. And it's unlikely they'll buy from you again. Obviously, you only earn X% of the sale as well. So if you're a vendor or you're a product creator, you take home 100% of the pie unless you have your own affiliate program in place, but you're basically reaping the efforts of other people, right? MMO, like info, is generally anywhere between, depending on software, you're looking at 10 to 40%. Period. Some go as high as 50, some even can go a little bit higher. What I'm saying with those that are interested in being able to create their own products, it's not as daunting as it seems. Quickly sketch out your idea, you get it down on a piece of paper, and you just figure out, okay, what do people want to hear? Usually it's a series of simple videos explaining your content and how people can take action and be able to replicate that process as well. There's a lot of people out there that have an idea, but they just haven't implemented it yet. And obviously you can get pure buyers that still refer multiple products and tools in just one product. So if you wanted to refer other tools and resources that you can't provide, for example, software like page builders or blog sites or traffic sources or anything for that matter, you can actually incorporate that into your course and have a referral link. So when they actually go and take on action, you garner a commission, and essentially you are creating assets. Now, when you create assets, you are basically allowing yourself to build a swarm of information that people can absorb, and you can use that to leverage that down in the future. Okay, you can take small segments of it if you wanted to and do a YouTube video. You can do a whole range of stuff. I created a program called Breakout CEO. Now, this program is geared purely for people that want to create their own products and assets. They want to have full control, as I mentioned, and then on top of that, we also teach you how to use email newsletters and leveraging targeted traffic as well. We help you start out with low ticket offers which convert. We give you the templates, and it allows you to take 100% of the pie home. Now, we also teach you how to build effective affiliate base. So you can have people refer your products, whatever commission rate you believe is right for you and your business, It could be 30, could be 40, could be 50%, and you'll be rewarded for other people's efforts promoting your offers. On top of that, inside of our Breakout community, you're going to be aligned with people that have the same values, goals, and results. All right, it doesn't matter what level you come at in, so that's the purpose of this community. And you hang out with other product creators and entrepreneurs as well. We've incentivized, the community. So the more engagement it is, more people share, they'll get rewarded for it, because what that does that it helps people fast track their success rate and being able to get those conversions and start getting consistent sales and revenue in their business. So how we generally go about it is, the first step is that we go through the foundational affiliate program. So you garner an understanding about it. And we talk about the mindset, we talk about affiliate marketing and offer promotions. Next, we usually go into the product creation fundamentals, okay? So we give you the sales page templates, we give you membership templates and a few core structures to help flesh out your product ideas. This basically allows you to take something that you've been sort of yearning to create and move forward in the process to start making sales with that offer. We also focus on email marketing, which is also incorporated within that one simple system. So you can have a follow-up series, basically boost profits, because we all know that if you don't do email marketing, you are leaving a ton of money on the table. Not everyone buys on the first try. A lot of people usually buy secondly, so usually take their information first and then they see the offer. You can follow up with them if they didn't buy. On top of that, we talk about free and paid traffic training, and we've accumulated some amazing resources that will bring targeted free and buy traffic to your offers as well. And then we also show you in terms of how to launch your own high ticket offer. So on top of that, you're bringing people into your circle on a lower ticket offer, but also we help you structure how to build a core offer that you can sell for $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000. That just allows you to really position yourself in the best possible way to really do that. Now, if you guys are interested in the Breakout CEO program and you want to get in touch with me, go to this website, breakout.ceo.com/special, and you'll also get the opportunity to either one, book a call, or two, if this is something that you're truly interested in and you want to jump on, watch the simple instruction document that we have in there. We outline everything that we go through, what this product is geared towards, and how we can help you achieve the outcome that you desire, which is basically one, for you to bring your idea out into fruition in the marketplace so you can serve that across people and be able to really leverage this in a more sustainable, consistent manner. Down below is the link to this page, to breakout.ceo.com/special, and I really look forward to you guys having a chat with you. I'm more than happy to just, for example, take your information and I can send you a follow-up series on what this course is about. Just go to this page, enter your email, you'll see the information, and I look forward to talking to you guys. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys.